This tower used to hum with sound. Footsteps echoed all around. Now the silence is profound, just the ghost of a busy town. Empty desks in neat array, another ghost of yesterday. Amber digits start to climb, tick-tock, marking out the time. 1, 2, 3, a steady beat. Anticipation bittersweet. 4, now 5, the peak is near, holding back a silent fear. I'll be the soft thing between floors. I'll keep the lights on for no one. Whispers through the locked doors until the cycle's done. My bucket's reflection gleams through the door. It almost seems someone's tending to these dreams, or just washing forgotten streams. A lonely lanyard starts to sway beside the button, come what may. Digits falling slow and low. 4, then 3, a gentle flow. 2, then 1, the pattern set, promises I can't forget. Back to 5, the climb again, a quiet, constant, soft refrain. I'll be the soft thing between floors. I'll keep the lights on for no one. Whispers through the locked doors until the cycle's done. Humming sound, only the hum remains. No more footsteps, no more gains. Just the flicker, cold and stark, a tiny, endless amber spark. I'll be the soft thing between floors. I'll keep the lights on for no one. Whispers through the